Hello friends, my name is Nilesh Arora. I am the founder partner of Add Value Consulting. In this video, I am going to talk about product cost reduction through operational excellence, which means when we apply lean manufacturing principles, the pillars and tools of lean manufacturing, world-class manufacturing, we are able to reduce the product costs. Now there are some direct costs. Okay, so when we talk of direct costs, we want the machines to perform as desired and the manpower to give us a great output. So the five pillars of lean manufacturing, which is total flow management, means the design of the plant so that the material moves on express ways without stopping much and capacities are being utilized to the best. We are able to have a minimal throughput time. By using the pillar total productive maintenance, we are able to reduce the breakdowns, the stoppages of the machines, thereby the consumptions of the fuel, the electricity, and the other utilities goes down. By using the pillar total quality management, we are able to reduce the reworks and therefore our throughputing is better. Using the pillar total service management, in which we talk about accounts, finance, HR, marketing, advertising, administration, the overhead costs also go down. And they help manufacturing perform in a better way when they are streamlined using the lean tools. So when we use the four pillars TFM, TPM, TQM, TSM backed up by THM, which is total human management, we are able to reduce the overheads. We are also in a position to reduce the direct cost to quite a large extent. So the gross margins are better, and by reducing the overhead costs, our net margins are better, and we have a great cash flow. So, in case we are looking out for a business strategy, price positioning, then we should first apply the pillars and tools of lean manufacturing and identify, reduce, and eliminate the mudas, which is non value adding, so we can have an edge on product costing over our competitors.